How to do refracted glass look in DaVinci Resolve. Right-click on your video in timeline and choose Open on Fusion page. Click on the right side of the line to disconnect media in from media out. Bring a background node, connect it to media out, and set its alpha to 0. Bring another background node and connect its output to the output of the first background to merge them. Select the new background and change type to gradient. Click on the Image tab, uncheck the Auto Resolution checkbox, and set width to 40. Select the Merge node and change edges to wrap. Now select the Media In node, press Shift plus space, search for Displace, and add it. Connect the Merge node to Displace node and disconnect it from Media Out. Connect Displace to Media Out. Now we have this look. Select the Merge node and you can change the angle, size, and other properties to get your desired effect. Once you're happy with the result, go back to the Edit page.